In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Zoom on Windows 11. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser like Microsoft Edge or Chrome and going directly to zoom.com. Make sure you're on the official Zoom website by checking the address bar. You should see zoom.com or be redirected to Zoom's official domain. This helps you avoid any lookalike sites and ensures you're downloading safe, up-to-date software. Once you're on the site, look for the option to download the app. You'll usually find a download link at the top of the page or a download center link under resources. Click that, and on the download page, choose the Zoom desktop application for Windows. This is the full client that lets you join and host meetings with the best performance and features. Before you download, you may see options for different system types. Zoom provides installers for 64-bit and 32-bit Windows. Most Windows 11 devices are 64-bit, which is the recommended choice for better performance. If you're not sure which one you have, you can quickly confirm by opening Settings, going to System, then About, and checking the system type field. If it says 64-bit operating system, choose the